This one, given an integer array nums and an integer k, return the kth largest element in the array. Know that the kth largest element in the sorted order, not the kth distinct element. Can you solve it without sorting? So this would just be turned into a max heap, right? Which would be sort of sorting. So adding items to the heap. Oh, okay, that's cool. So we could just make a max heap by making a heap, um, and then pushing elements to it. Okay. Heapify heap. And then we'd say heap push. So we'd push on a value to heap. Num in nums. We'd say that, and we'd say get rid of, well, and we'd say push on negative num, right? Multiply, yeah, just negative num. And then for, doesn't really matter, for I in range k. What if we say k minus 1, heap pop, heap. I think that we need to use heap q, heap pop, heap, and then we just say return a negative heap pop heap. Oh my god. Oh my god. um cool. What do people do for this? I guess now that I think about it, we should just heapify nums. And then we could just pop off until it would be length of nums minus k. We could say like j equals length of nums minus k. So that's how many elements we need to pop off. And we don't need to do that. We don't need to do this. Instead, we could just say for I in range j minus 1. Would that work too? Nope. Heap pop nums. Eh. Oh wait, yeah, that. There we go. And that runs pretty well. So basically we're saying, okay, so J is the number of elements that we pop off so that the top of the min heap is the kth largest. That's what that is. And then we just, so instead of going through the number of, like, you know, first largest, second largest, third largest, you go backwards, sort of. So you have 20 elements. You're looking for the 10th largest element, meaning that you pop off 10 elements, and the one at the top is the 10th largest element. There we go. Good heap practice.